Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh my god, I am such a beast. Who was here during Asian session? Because I actually let you guys know about this gap that needs to get filled. And I actually caught it. I actually caught longs like somewhere over here, closed somewhere over here. Let me close my door. Get ready for the stream. Alright. I'm back. All right, boys. Stream just started. We are on live stream right now, boys. Check out the link. Make sure you join. That was bad. All right, boys. We are on live stream right now. Make sure you guys join up. Right? Click on the link, join up, and let's catch some trades. My bad. I'm sending the link to everybody. Well, I'm posting it. 1 second. Alexander says like and share the stream, of course. All right, so check it. Across the board, we thought we had a very bullish bias due to the fact that we had a big impulse that was on GJ, that was on gold as well, that's kept on going bullish, and NASDAQ as well, right? NASDAQ US30. For those who were here during Asian session, you guys noticed that I called out that there would be, this gap happened, right? And then we started going downwards. I told you guys we were going to have to fill this at one point. I actually took a long after this huge melt out, somewhere in the melt out, and I fucking aimed for all these highs, and I fucking got them. Now, price left a huge wick, and we didn't go and fill it, and we're all the way back down at this strong level of support. So, we had a bullish confirmation that didn't end up playing out, and now we're all the way back down at a major level of support. That means we're pretty bearish. All right, so I would not be looking for any buys on US30 anytime soon right now. US30, NASDAQ. And that probably follows the same with GJ. I understand GJ. Actually, we'll take that back. GJ looks like, just at least needs to finish the wick fill, right? We're not done with the wick fill. What do I mean by that? There's this wick right here that still hasn't, we still haven't reached that low. So realistically, I think that we should go down a little bit more before we actually do look for longs on GJ. GJ longs aren't completely out the door. They're just not the best position to be in right now. Another good position would be gold longs. Gold longs never fail. Or the GU short. Maybe GU goes short right now. Or this is an SMA fake out. Right? We get confirmations. This is the 8 SMA, right? So price has been trading beneath the 8 SMA, we could say, right? That's the 8 right there. We were above it. Now we're beneath it. When price starts trading beneath the 8 SMA, a lot of the times we get a quick, strong recovery. And then out of nowhere, yeah, we're bullish again. Because usually this is all bearish confirmation, unless it's a fake out. How do you guys like GU sells? GU sells, honestly, up to the moment right now as we speak, looks like the most eligible fucking trade to catch. Boys, how's the music in the background? Oh, there is no music in the background. There we go. Go back to the chat. What it do, Barca? The game was crazy yesterday. The game is gonna be obviously the PSG game, right? Or Barca almost got fucked. When I saw the score, both of them were on the border of. Today, what I'm interested to see is if Madrid's gonna be able to really pull it off, man. PSG is lucky too, bro. We have to see if Real Madrid's gonna be able to pull it off. I think if Real Madrid scores within 15 minutes, we get a 15-minute Real Madrid goal. Sheesh, the game's gonna be fucking amazing. Like if you let them score in 15 minutes, they're fucked. The 3-0 is very possible. All right, so GU sells right now, chat. I kind of think GU sells look a little OP right now. Something like this. What it do, Anas? Hope you're doing well as well, brother. Oh my, is this GU sell playing out like that already? No chance. I saw your mom, she forgot that I exist. Isn't it half my heart? I just like to play a victim. I'm drinking alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas and I'll... Damn, chat. I didn't answer. I did not answer. I mean, I was just barely calling out. I literally just put this up on the board because I was like, damn, I think the sells look really good. I didn't think that we'd get a new hourly candlestick going with this much momentum to the downside. Right, we just turned on the stream. We're tuning into the charts right now, as in, like, you know, we're getting an understanding of what price is doing. We're not late for anything besides this fucking GU sell and maybe gold longs, but at the end of the day, we are still with volatility in the market. So I'm not really scared. I'm not really panicking right now. We just need to stay focused and execute where we see our opportunity is being placed. Should we go for GJ sells? GJ ain't a buy. That's the thing. It's not a buy. So if it's not a buy, what is it? It's most likely a fucking sell or it's a range. I'm drinking alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas and now. Let me see real quick what the music on the background is. It's not bad. It's not bad. Not the best, not bad. Damn, dude, this sell played out amazingly. Is anybody currently in any trades right now? Or does anybody currently want me to break down any charts that they are looking at and give you guys my opinion on what I think is going to happen? Feel free to talk in the chat. Feel free to explain what you want me to break down. We didn't hop into this GJ sell today. I actually took during London session. Actually, it was like an hour before London session. I went with US30 and Nasdaq longs, believe it or not. So when price was all the way down here, those who were here for Asian session knew I was gonna do it. Longed, and I caught it all the way past this area. I mean, I woke up and there was this huge wick, so I closed it somewhere around here, honestly. So did I catch the wick, Phil? Not really. But I did catch the reversal momentum. Did you enter the GJ sell? No, siree. But GJ does not look like a buy. It looks more like a sell. I said that already. Especially with the fact... Oh. Damn. I feel like hopping in a gold long. Ugh. Honestly, I got a game plan. I got a game plan for everybody watching in the chat. If we get a rejection off the support level, which we're getting right now, and then it starts approaching the support level before, we're going to sell it off before it hits that support level and anticipate the break of the support. Because I know it's going to break it, right? So hopefully right now we get a rejection, and then we get to catch it at one point, and then try anticipating the break again. That's what I'm going for right now. So we need to pray that this doesn't just fall right now, because we need these pips. Come on, GU. It's fucking melting. Oh my god. Can't say I didn't call out the fucking melt. Oh, that's GJ. That means GU is going off. This is the one that I called out, not GJ. Alright, this might be our one opportunity for gold. You know, if gold is a melt off, it is what it is. I got stopped out at the top. Did we take anything during Asia? Not really, no. The only thing I said is that we'd take GJ longs once it broke lows. And anybody that took GJ longs after it broke lows. Cat. Alright, I took a position and I didn't get stopped out, motherfucker. I had a stop loss at 500. It went all the way to 600 something, and then it flew. I got the receipts, bro. Good morning to you too, Lio. Alright, so on gold, I'm thinking about like a 10-point stop loss. This looks like a decent trade right now. 10 points stop loss, so it'd be throwing like a one lot. Or is this like an instant stopped out? That's the question we got. Damn, it's just turning around. I think I'm gonna take it. I think I like this gold trade. One's in the chat if you guys like this gold setup, right? Taking a long around this position with a 10-point stop loss. I think we might do this right now, dude. I think this is a really good opportunity as price is falling with this much volatility. Well, if I would have hopped in it fucking a minute ago, I would have been in fucking drawdown. So up to the moment, it's already played off pretty good. Cause I saw your mom, she forgot that I exist. Guys, on the one-step challenges on GOAT Funded, are there any consistency rules? Do I need to be consistent? Do I need to not make too much money on one account? I have somebody who gave me a 10K account yesterday, and I have that shit halfway past. I don't even accept 10K accounts. I just felt bad saying no to the dude. And now he has an account that's almost passed. I wonder if he's in the chat. But for GOAT, one-step challenges, do I got a consistency rule? I gotta know, because if I don't, this thing's about to get passed right now. Bada boom, bada bang. Oh, wow. EU looks amazing for longs. Oh, wow. Is this a fake out? If this is a fake out, this is the most brutal fake out I've ever seen. Because this looks great for longs. What time frame was it? What time frame was it when I entered this chart? Oh, there you go. I mean, if that's not a picture perfect ripple fib, then what the fuck is? Major level of resistance right here. And then we have a major level of support, same level of resistance, ascending level of support, same level of resistance. Oh, but nothing happened. We went all the way back down. Same resistance, ascending levels of support, same resistance, ascending levels of support, same resistance. I mean, come on, guys. This is a fucking beautiful trade right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Should I call this trade out? I don't know when's the last time. I don't think I've ever sent an EU signal, chat. EU signal today for the win. I mean, I'm looking at it right now, and this looks like a the dub, automatic dub. All right, but we're currently in this gold one, so let's try to fucking focus up. I'm currently at break even on this trade. Currently up 1 pip now, 2 pips. Oh. Yep, the market's reacting on the phone before the screen. Oh my god, imagine we just push right now. That would be the best. Come on. Come on, Willie. That I'll have to lose. Boys, if you guys have not liked up the stream yet and you guys are watching right now, please like up the stream. I see that we only got 6 likes. 6 likes, chat. Come on. Show some love and support. I would much appreciate it. Thank you. Come again. I'm drinking alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas, and now Now I'm back. Oh my god, it's retracing on me. Alright. Alright. Price is deciding to turn around on us. I mean, we're in a beautiful gold position. I saw a small retracement on gold, and I thought it would be a great idea to hop in due to the fact that, I mean, we are very bullish, man. And I know that there's a lot of retail traders right now calling tops due to the fact that they see that these candlesticks are leaving wicks to the downside and to the top side. And I just want to ride the continuation of momentum. And what the momentum is really doing is just going upwards. It's pretty simple. So therefore, there was a retracement on the board. I waited for momentum to look like it was dying out, hopped into the long position, threw a 10-point stop loss, 10 pip, 100 pip, depends on how you want to consider it. Doesn't really matter. From 3308 to 3298. Yeah, could I go through drawdown? Possibly. Should I close at break even? Probably not. Good morning. Slickest. We slaughtered it on your account yesterday. That's all I gotta say, bro. We caught some US30 longs all night, and right now we're in these gold longs. Good news. Only good news here. All right, boys. You guys know what the deal is. El Pipo. Like, my Zimbabwe's are freaking see-through. Like, when have you seen a see-through Zimbabwe? Tell me that. Like, you can fucking see the charts. Zimbabwe. See it. Saw your mom, she forgot that I exist. All right, what a beaut of a trade right now. This right here was a perfect example of why you ride the momentum, specifically on pairs like gold when they are rallying. I mean, if we were to just zoom out and look at the 4-hour candlestick chart, we've been bullish for 4, 8, 16, 20, 24, 28 hours. So when this 4-hour candlestick started looking like it was going to flip bearish, was a perfect opportunity for sellers to start hopping in, creating volatility for them to get faked out, and buyers to start making new highs, keep on running their positions. Should look good, bro. Could it turn around? Yes. Do I think it's going to turn around? Probably not. Could it? Yes, it could. Yo, why was I muted? How long was I muted? What just happened? How long was I muted, yo? The fuck was that? No bottom wick on the 5-minute candlestick. It's a pure momentum candlestick. Come on, push, push, push. This is bullish, continuation, bullish. We should keep on pushing right now. No bottom wick on the 15-minute. That's good. That just means pure momentum. No bottom wick on the 5-minute. It's pure momentum. No bottom wick on the 30-minute. That's pure momentum. We should fly. Bro, what do I think about Tesla? There's a Tesla dealership that just opened up by my neighborhood. It's not, they're not even completely open, and every fucking day they got a whole bunch of fucking protesters outside of that bitch. So, goddamn, I would not walk into a Tesla fucking store to buy a Tesla with a whole bunch of crazy maniacs out in the front. Poor fucking company. Why what's so fucking stupid about the people protesting Tesla? I understand you're mad that Elon's part of the government. Alright, whatever. Elon is for the people, one. It's always been for the people. Every product he creates is for the people. Tesla, for the people. SpaceX, for the world, for the people. Skylink, or what is it called? Skylink? What is it called? The internet that he has? Skynet, Skylink? Forgot what it was called. Starlink, for the people. Starlink was literally created for all the freaking small indigenous communities around the world that don't have access to internet. Now they do. Or people in the desert. So it's like, all right, this guy's for the people and you want to protest him. All right, screw that point. Maybe he's not for the people. You're trying to protest the company of the richest guy of the world. You're not going to do a dent. You're wasting your time. Like, if I was going to go protest somebody, I better be doing a dent if I'm there wasting all my day, all my time. If you think that you're doing a dent to his pocket, if you think that he loses a night over sleep over the money that he is losing, you're out of your fucking mind. And that's why they're probably out there fucking protesting, because they're out of their fucking mind. No way this is turning around on me. All for humanity. Vote for Elon for president of the Mars. Of Mars. Right? Pretty sure Mars got different jurisdiction. They don't belong to the United States. They don't belong to the world. They don't belong to the fucking... They don't belong to anybody. It belongs to the first man that sets their foot on it. I want to know who it belongs to? It belongs to the first man with a weapon. Mars belongs to the first man that steps onto Mars with a weapon. That's who Mars belongs to. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. We're at break even. All right, we need a big pump right here. Big pump. Let's see this 15-minute flip from bearish to bullish. Oh, maybe not. Damn, dude. Lately, all my trades just fucking fly into profit, and then I just fucking go through some drawdown trying to... Market's been choppy this week. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, GJ is doing exactly what we said that we would do. I mean, GJ is doing exactly what I said could possibly happen, which was a bounce off of the support level for it to come back up, and then from there we would snipe it back down. But we're in this trade currently, so I don't know if we should do it. Put ourselves in 2 trades. But I feel like GJ has to break that low. Well, if GJ does go bullish, I'd expect gold to go. I mean, honestly, gold does what it wants. GJ could go bearish. It's not going to really affect this right here. This is EU currently. Damn, this is not good for us, chat. Ugh, so annoying. Alright, this 15-minute candlestick has 7 minutes left in it. If this 15-minute candlestick survives looking like how we're looking right now, honestly, I don't even know. Because we could get this candlestick closure and it could keep on dropping. We need to push right now. We need a push. Ugh. Oh wow, we got Powell speaking at 1:30. Whatever the market's doing before Powell starts speaking, expect the opposite for him, the opposite for after he starts speaking. That's the best advice I could give you guys. So right now, if we're flying, or imagine GG keeps on melting, and he starts speaking, we start going long. US30, we start going long on US30 as well. Chat, what trades are you guys currently in right now? Anybody want to share what trades they're currently in? I wonder if you guys notice how many times we're in a trade in profit and how many times we go back to break even and then we start going to profit again. Like, it happens literally it happens pretty consistently. And it has nothing to do with my entries. It has nothing to do with my skill level. It just is the way that trades go. You go into profit, you go into drawdown, you go into break even, you go into profit. What I want you guys to like picture out of it, or like, you know, what lesson I want you to get out of that is the closing at break even. Yeah, you might avoid a loss, but most of the time you're avoiding your fucking win. That's what I realized. That's why I don't like closing at break even, because I feel like I avoid more wins closing out at break even rather than fucking avoiding losses. Like, whenever I throw a position and I throw a stop loss, my stop loss is just so well placed and my positions have accuracy to them that it could go into profit, it could go in drawdown, and I don't want to close out. Why? Because I didn't get stopped out. I get stopped out over here. This is my get out of the position, not fucking break even. Only way I'm going break even is if this fucking rockets, or it starts, I don't know. There has to be more confirmations rather than, oh, price went back to my break even. Just because price goes back to your break even don't mean close break even. Motherfucking break even. All right, new 15-minute candlestick just opened. New 15-minute candlestick. I mean, sheesh, bro. I feel like we're gonna go through some drawdown right now. My chart froze. GJ bouncing with that recovery. Damn, those who took buys at major support level are up like 30 pips. Oh my god, US30 is already going. We missed it. It's all fine. Come on. Everything's pumping. Gold, do your thing. Come on, gold. Everything's pumping. Please do your thing. EU. Oh my god, my EU is beautiful. Oh my god. What a pump. One banger setup, flew 20 pips into profit, we're a break even, we're still gonna fly. Two banger setups, not just two. Three banger setups, this is returning. Lyle, you're in EU right now? Mother, oh my god. Let's just see how this plays out. EU just made my whole week. I mean, my whole week. This guy's crazy. This is so annoying. I hate whenever my trade looks so beautiful at the beginning and then it goes into... It's like happened this whole week and the whole last week. I can recall so many trades going so perfectly and then just fucking turning around. Come on, pump aggressively. New 5 minute. We're 5 minutes away from a new hourly. It's freezing in my house in your sweater. New hourly coming. New hourly, 2 minutes. All right, 1 minute left for the new hourly. New hourly, gonna bring new volume. I mean, everything's at a bottom wick, everything's at a top wick, so hopefully we don't get stopped out when we push hard enough to the top, man. All right, new hourly candlestick. New hourly candlestick doesn't look the best right now. Kind of looks like we're going to go through some drawdown, but like I said, hourly candlesticks all have a bottom wick, all have a top wick. So I'm not going to get too stressed out about this so far. Not just yet. Let's see what ends up happening right here. Yeah, definitely slowed down right now. Definitely slowed down. Damn, dude, if this turns around, I might fucking close. Oh! Momentum. 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 What it do, my G? Yeah, I think I'm gonna close this trade. I'm gonna close this trade. Close the break even, chat. All right, we're out. That is crazy. That is crazy. I know, gold has a mind of its own, really. Pretty surprised that we flipped from bullish to bearish and didn't keep on going lower. Yeah, the only problem with that, Philip, is that just because you're like, for example, like what I explain all the time is, imagine, I mean, yes, there's on the smaller time frame. I mean, it was on the higher time frame because it was the hourly that was fucking me over. But regardless, when we set setups, we set our stop loss at certain areas that, like, my stop loss is here because this is the area that I say that the trade is not valid. Therefore, I could come all the way down to here, and your trade, if you are not in 70% drawdown, like 70 to 80% drawdown being all the way down here, and still not comfortable with your trade, then you most likely shouldn't be taking that trade. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, it's been recently, it's been like the last 2 weeks, maybe last 3, where I have done some break evens, and I always do the math and I go, bro, I break even and I miss out of more trades that win rather than fucking save myself from losses. So like, I'd rather just always set the position and let it play out. If I took the loss, I took my 1% loss. It is what it is. Hold out through everything. I mean, this trade looks like a beauty right now. So it's like if I set this entry right here and price just barely goes underneath, it's like, why would you want to close if you set your stop loss all the way over here? For that, would have set a stop loss all the way over here, you know? So that's the logic behind it. It's more of like, and it's my personal approach to it through the fact that I've done the math behind my trades. What does that tell me? It tells me that most of the time when I say I want to throw a setup, like I want to go longer, I want to go short, I typically get the bias correct. And if I'm throwing my stop losses, I typically throw stop losses that don't get stopped out. Like I got a good percentage hit at those. Great percentage hit. So it just, the math just started not mathing, and that's where I realized, hey, I gotta hold my trades. But obviously, there's been many times where I'm like, yo, this thing's going down. I don't like it. And out of nowhere, I don't close it. And it just obliterates and fucking destroys me. That's a part of the game. I'm so happy right now that this is turning around. You have no idea. Gold has a mind of its own, man. Just like to play the victim. I'm drinking alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas and I'm wow, we should have just fucking taken the EU. We were already in fucking... I mean, I don't trade EU. That's the fucking problem to begin with. Well, if that wasn't the break-even before that, the break-even would definitely be now. This low's gonna get hit. Yeah. Alright, chat. We're gonna call it for the day. I appreciate Lyle, Phillips, Xander, Alexander, Barca, Anas, all of you, chat. Thank you for watching the stream. At least we didn't lose. Put ourselves into great positions. We called out really good positions as well. So honestly, overall, great stream. I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna be greedy. I anticipated US30 recovering. Pretty sad that I didn't hop into it. I didn't think the double bottom. You guys know that I'm not a double bottom, triple bottom type of guy. It's gay shit. So it's like, I mean, I wouldn't have taken this long at this level, so I don't really care. It is what it is, chat. I love you guys. Thank you guys for joining the stream. I adore you guys. Thank you guys so much. Peace. Sorry for the garage trader. Love you too, brother. Sorry for the low, I guess, I don't know, low energy or I don't know. Oof, this thing's falling. Love you, Zay. Peace. Oof, this thing's going down. It's yelling timber. I'm gonna leave this trade up just to see if it ends up playing out type shit. Stop loss, full stop loss. We're gonna test the theory of holding the trade. We're gonna see if this ends up playing out. Love you, chat. Peace.